Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here again. Today we're going to show you how to make Chinese takeaway chicken fried rice and curry sauce, everything all at the same time. Because I'm doing this in real time and there's absolute carnage in the kitchen, I just don't have the time for all the fancy editing today. So we're going to start this recipe off by slicing a breast of chicken, which should be coming on your screen now as I've no time to edit. There it is. So slice that breast of chicken down the middle like this. This will only take you 30 seconds. Then we're going to place one slice on top of the other slice and cut it into small strips like this. To marinate this chicken, we're going to show you a very simple, very basic Chinese takeaway chicken marinade. And all we need for this is some dark soy sauce. You want the chicken strips should be about this size. That's it. Put them into a bowl. We're going to use some dark soy sauce. This is about a tablespoon of dark soy sauce I am using per chicken fillet. Next, we're going to put in some MSG, also known as Achimoto. It's a Chinese flavor enhancer. I don't want to hear anyone complaining about MSG or how bad it is or how good it is for you. If you don't want it, don't use it in the fucking recipe. I don't even know if I'm allowed to swear on YouTube. What a week. Season it with some ground white pepper as much as you like. This is about 1/3 of a teaspoonful. Put on a glove if you have one. If you don't worry. Just wash your hands before you do this. Quickly mix everything together into the chicken like this, making sure it's all covered. Put in a tablespoon of corn flour or corn starch. Mix that together. It's only going to take you a second. And that is your chicken more or less marinated. We can just set that to the side now as soon as it's finished. Oh, don't forget to add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil. This will stop the chicken sticking together when it hits a wok or pan. So you should see me placing the chicken to the side to rest for 20 minutes. Any minute now, there you have it. Sorry, bad editing. No editing today, this is in real time. Here we have a day-old boiled rice. Big clumps of boiled rice stuck together. Add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then we want to go in with some MSG, about 1/3 of a teaspoon. Sorry, that's the MSG, 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar. Then the MSG. Use gloves, break this all apart with your hands. This is an easy way to do it. We don't need to add this all into the wok then, and it saves a lot of time. This is how they do it in the Chinese takeaway. Keep breaking up all the balls of rice. This is literally going to take you 30 seconds. Once that rice is broke up, just set it to the side. Get a wok or frying pan. It's best if you use a wok so everything doesn't fall off the sides and there's a whole drama in your kitchen. Add in the eggs. This is about 3 eggs. I've whisked them up already. We only need to cook these for about 30 seconds. It's just more or less like scrambling eggs. If they stick to the side of the pan, just add in a bit of more oil. We didn't have to do that here. Then you want to take the... Oh, we did need to do that in there. Sorry, bad editing. Here we go anyway. So, cook those for about 30 seconds until they're like scrambled eggs. And then take them all out, place them into a bowl. You don't want to cook them along with the rice because they don't retain their lovely yellow coloured. Not coloured, I mean colour. I'm in such a hurry to do this video here today. I'm under pressure. Trying to do this, trying to get the school uniform ready. It's just chaos in this house. It's driving me up the walls. So, your eggs will be ready in about 30 seconds. Take them out, put them into a bowl. You can probably hear Mrs. Chang in the background roaring and shouting, "Bah, bah, bah, will the dinner be ready soon?" Clean out your wok, put in some vegetable oil in with the chicken that you've marinated earlier. So, place the chicken into the hot wok. Make sure it's hot, smoking. Allow it to sit there. Now, you don't need to turn it down straight away as this will cool down the oil. While we are doing this, we're going to get some curry ready. Some curry sauce. So we're going to do everything at the same time here. This is the curry paste that I made about 4 days ago. I think it was 4 days ago for something for YouTube. Now, this is more or less matured. It usually takes a week, but we'll just go for 4 days. Now, it should taste more or less there. Right, back over and check the chicken. No, hold on. Right, and that's about 3 or 4 heaped tablespoons of curry paste, the best curry paste you'll ever taste. Turn that chicken over now. Then back, that's it. Then back over to the curry sauce. We want to add in 1 chicken stock cube. You can break that up with your hand. It's going to dissolve quicker, I think. Well, it usually does. I don't know. I have no time here today. So add in some boiling water. Actually, loads of boiling water. We'll just check the chicken here. Give it a quick turn. And put in some more oil of the chicken. It'll stop the chicken from sticking to the side if you haven't put enough oil in the first place. We're going to give this curry sauce a quick stir with a whisk. And then we're going to keep an eye on the chicken at the same time. Very sorry about this editing today. I'm just in such a hurry. So turn that chicken. You'll start to see that golden brown colour that you always see from Chinese chicken and beef. It's absolutely beautiful. Stir the curry sauce. This is all coming together now. It should only take about another minute and a half if everyone will give me peace to do it in this fucking house. Turn the chicken around. Now, cook, just to be safe, cook the chicken for 3 or 4 minutes. Transfer that to the bowl beside where your eggs are sitting. Excuse that black stand there. That's for lighting for your purposes so you can see. Clean out your wok. Add in a good amount of vegetable oil, maybe 3-4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Here's the rice you made earlier. Chuck that into the wok. You want to cook this for about 1.5, 2 minutes, depending on what type of appliance you are using, whether it's gas, electric, induction, I don't know. Add in some vegetable oil if if your rice is sticking to the side of the wok. Cook that. You should start to see the heat coming up. Throw in your chicken. Throw in your eggs that you've also prepared earlier. Now, they don't do this in Chinese takeaways, but I'm only doing it for the purpose of YouTube. Frozen peas, you will probably get killed for serving people that in the Chinese takeaway here, and even worse. Sweet corn, I'm going to put on some sweet corn because it does the colour of the whole dish looks dead. If it's just going to be chicken and rice, it's just going to look nothing on YouTube and it's just going to look like shit. So throw in your sweet corn. And then mix everything well together. And to finish this off, we're going to cook that for another 2 or 3 minutes here. I actually think my gas is running out. Back over to the curry sauce, and that's looking great. Now look at that. Oh, Jesus, look at that. It smells beautiful. So, add in your spring onions to finish this dish off. Give it a good mix again. And we can see the heat rising. That just looks about right to me now. And then there we have it. This should stop everyone in this house from complaining today. Anyway, put it on a plate. If you like this video, and you've probably never made it this far to the end of this video, so nobody's going to hear it. But if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And I might make another one tomorrow if I'm not so stressed out. There we go. We add in that curry sauce now, and that's it, more or less done. Just call everyone now, see if they're going to actually eat this. I don't know. Lovely jubbly. Oh, just add in some prawn crackers. I forgot about the prawn crackers. These are just cheap ones. I've no time to make those today. Thank you.